What are we going to be doing?
Unboxing our magic bands for our trip in March.
So much enthusiasm. Okay. Hello, hello, it's Audra, and we got some fun Mickey mail this last week that we wanted to share with you. So we're going to be unboxing magic bands. So when you get your magic bands, they will come in this very nondescript white box, which is a great thing for families who are planning surprise trips. So if you're planning a trip that you don't want to tell your kids about when this box comes, be looking for it. It comes from the Experience Connection Center, and it's just very plain.
Then your children's won't know about it because your children's won't care about a white box.
Right? It doesn't look Disney. It looks boring. Okay, so it's got a tab on the back. You want to get that open?
I can't.
Get one chance. Aha!
That was
Okay. So, you want to do the honors?
my Toy Story band. Sorry.
So,
That's always.
the box inside is super fun. Now, we did upgraded bands this trip. So, there are all the colors of the rainbow that you can get in a complimentary magic band. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, or gray. If you choose to, you can pay for an upgraded band with special designs. So we went through and picked special bands this trip. Let's see.
I get the best band because it's Toy Story themed. Like, duh.
Girlfriend thinks hers is the best. So here you can pull them out. They're on this little card. It's got each of our names by our band. We've got a Toy Story. We've got two of these cool Epcot bands. And then mine, here it is, says a most magical place on earth with the castle. It's so lovely. And then also in this box, you're gonna find some information about your magic bands on this end that you can pull out. And it's just a little pamphlet that you can read. It explains everything about what your magic band does and where you'll use it. Quit shaking them.
Makes a weird
And then
noise.
on this end are your souvenir luggage tags. So let's check those
There's
out.
something in here. I just keep that closed for me. Which one's my tag?
Oh, which one do you want? Well, there's three alike and one's different.
I call this one. I like the scooter.
Well, let's show what we got. We got three of these and one with Mickey and Minnie on their little scooter. Those are super
I like
cute.
the scooter.
When you
This
choose the complimentary colored bands, these will coordinate with those. So I really didn't know what to expect in this box because we've only done the complimentary bands before. We've not upgraded them. So this is a fun surprise.
Oh, here's the tag thingies that go on there.
Oh, okay. Neely found something important.
So the tag things are inside of the box.
This is the plastic strips that you'll use to attach your luggage tags to your suitcase. Those were hidden inside this tube.
I'm smart.
So we are super excited for our next Disney trip. Let me know if you have any questions about magic bands. Magic bands come with your on-site stay as part of your Disney package, those complimentary bands. You do get the upgraded bands at a discount, so they subtract the price of the complimentary band. I think we paid like $10 to upgrade to these, whereas if we had just chosen the plain colors, they would have been free with our stay. There are also instructions on the back of this for removing this outer gray strip if you have a child with a smaller wrist or just, you know, a small human with a smaller wrist that you need to make your band smaller. And there's also instructions for removing this puck. If you do not want to wear a wristband, you can attach this puck in a little magic keeper or a lanyard. Keep that easily accessible for when you need to scan your band to enter the park or for fast pass or that kind of thing. But there are also instructions for getting that puck out if you intend to use it that way. Thanks for watching. We hope you'll subscribe and come back and visit for more Disney videos? More Disney videos in the future.